What's inside this box right here is possibly one of the most controversial e-bikes to hit the market in 2026. This is the AnyLand Rev Pro, a self-wheeling mini bike from AnyLand with a Moxon self-wheeling controller built right in. Let's unbox this thing and see what it's got. All right, guys, so here it is, the AnyLand E-Bike, the first of its kind sub $1,500 electric dirt bike. Inside the box, you're gonna get your front fender, your front wheel, your rear fender, your bars, your number plate, your foot pegs with all the accessories and things to help you put them on it. Same with the hardware for your front handlebar mounts as well, your bar pad, your front brake rotor, your kickstand, which is surprisingly well made, and your charger. And can't forget your toolkit too. And finally, the main ingredient, the actual bike itself. Now, when it came to the build process of this thing, things were a little bit more intense than I expected. Starting up first, we had to throw this rotor on the front wheel, make sure it's all tightened down properly, throw in this lower shock bolt, then release the whole front end. From there, we could go ahead and throw on our front brake caliper and throw our front wheel on as well. You could also throw on our front fender while we're up there, and put our bars on as well. With our bars on, we could then go ahead and throw on our brake levers, throw our kickstand on. Then we could go ahead and throw the foot pegs on, the rear fender, and the seat, and that front number plate as well. And from there, you're basically done. Kinda. Whoops. Oh, here we go. We have life. Oh! All right, boys, here it is, the AnyLand Rev Pro, this self-wheeling sub $1,500 mini bike. Oh, dude, hopping on it, the suspension is actually pretty good. It's obviously way smaller than anything like an RTR, or even, it's actually like kind of like razor size. But the cool feature about this thing is the self-wheeling mode. So essentially, what we should be able to do, let's put this thing into mode 3. So now it's got a little bit of torque. Oh my, I'm literally not braking. This is the weirdest feeling ever. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. I gotta try this outside. Oh my God, dude, look at this. I don't even have to, look at that, no brake. So we're basically pinned and it won't let us fall back. Let's lean it back and see what happens. Oh, see, so when you hit the brake, it like basically like disengages it. Oh my God, dude, it literally works. This is so sick. We're literally just wheeling, like comfortably, just spinning around. So it basically like balances itself. So we're in 35-degree angle, 35-degree mode, I guess you would call it, in the self-wheelie mode. And it's crazy to like feel. Kind of at a loss for words right now, but it's fun as hell, honestly. It won't let you like fall back. This thing kind of arcs though, no lie. I gotta be able to one-hander this thing. There's no way I can't. See, can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? We're just gonna do it. Oh my God, I did it! Oh! I feel like such a wheelie guy right now. Oh, doing a little figure eights. Oh, oh. Oh no, my kickstand came down. Okay, here we go. Put on the pegs, one-hander on the AnyLand Rev Pro. Doing it. Oh my God, I did it! Yes! Oh my God, I'm about to wheel. No way. There's no way. Oh my God. Like, we're pinned right now. Look at that, we're literally pinned. Like, what? Let's see, touch our... Ew. This is absolutely wild. We're about to go Enduro this thing. So we took it out of wheelie mode. Hold on, see if we can nose wheelie this thing. Oh, you lost your hat. All right, let's try an actual wheelie without wheelie mode. Oh man, I'm almost like scared to wheelie it. It's not good. Oh no! Oh, the seat just came off! Okay, the thing's still on there, that's good. Make sure your seatbelt is on, boys and girls. Don't be like me. We're good. All right, so we only killed one bar. Oh dude, this thing is kind of a wheelie hog regardless. This is where it gets real. Oh, I just hit my leg so hard, but we're good. Oh,
Dude, no problem. This thing's eating. My kickstand fell down again. I'm getting a little reckless on this thing right now. Damn it. Oh. Whoa. We're trying to come in as hot as we can right now. Oh, dude, that thing is probably so fun right now that you have your fishing rod all locked up there. Jamie's out. That Arctic leopard is a beast. If you guys want to go get one of those and you're in the New York, New Jersey area, head over to Jersey E-Bikes. Those guys are the ones and they will hold you down. Tell them MiniWhips sent you. Now this is a pretty intense section right here. This is all loose rocks, steady uphill. We're just gonna balls to the wall it. Wow! We got down. We are ripping it. We're also getting hit by literally every pricker in the game. Dude, this thing honestly is ripping. Now, I will say the RTR Lite definitely has this thing beat when it comes to power and pretty much overall everything. But this is a way more budget option and it's got self-wheelie mode. So if you're really looking to self-wheelie, this is the bike for you. Ah. All right, here we go. We got the water gap. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh. Dude, almost lost it right there. Let's see what the actual battery reading is now. All right, it still says it's at full, but we know that's not right. That can't be right, so. All right, boys, now that we know that this thing can get up the hill, let's see how well it does getting back down. All right, let's see. Oh my God. We got her wide open right now, boys. All right, we might struggle for battery on the way home. We're still at 3 bars, and it said 2 bars when we were first coming up here, so I'm curious to see how well that actually lasts, but... She is moving right now. All right, this is the heavy rock garden right here, boys. Oh! Oh! Full balls, wide open, boys. Hope we don't die. There's a lot of sticks and we can't see anything under these leaves. Oh yeah, all right. Oh, look at her go, dude. She's about to die on us though, boys, I will say. That 48-volt battery does not last long. Oh. Oh, oh, I think we can drop in off the side. Oh yeah, we did it. All right, celebratory wheelie. She's too dead. We're gonna be limping home right now. We have a whole nother 2 miles on the road and we literally have 2% battery. Well, 2 bars battery. I don't know what that is in percentage wise, but I don't really want to find out. Oh. All right, guys, I think it is safe to say that the AnyLand Rev Pro is a ripper. She is a wheelie machine, and she off-roads pretty good. Now, I don't think it's anything like the ETM RTRs here. These things are kind of a totally different beast. They have better suspension, better frame, bigger form factor, and overall, they're a little more race and serious, I guess you'll say, oriented. But if you're looking to stay under $2,000 and still want to learn how to wheelie with some assists and be able to do everything else pretty good, this is definitely a great option for you. Now, we have a discount code for you guys we're going to leave in the description. So if you guys want to save over $100 on an AnyLand Rev Pro, click that description and you guys can save on this thing. So until then, we'll see you guys in the next video and peace.